Certainly, here are 7 well-explained rules of life that can serve as valuable guiding principles. Number 1. Embrace change and adaptability. Change is an inevitable part of life. Embracing change with an open mind and adaptability allows you to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of experiences. Whether in your personal or professional life, the ability to adapt helps you learn, grow, and thrive in various circumstances. Number 2. Practice empathy and kindness. Treating others with empathy and kindness creates a positive ripple effect. By understanding and acknowledging the feelings of those around you, you foster healthy relationships and contribute to a more compassionate world. Empathy enables you to connect on a deeper level and support one another through life's challenges. Number 3. Prioritize self-care and well-being. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is essential. Prioritizing self-care involves maintaining a balanced lifestyle that includes adequate rest, regular exercise, a nutritious diet, and time for relaxation and self-reflection. When you are well cared for, you are better equipped to handle life's demands and contribute positively to your environment. Number 4. Continuously seek knowledge and growth. Lifelong learning and personal growth are fundamental to a fulfilling life. Cultivate curiosity and a thirst for knowledge by exploring new subjects, skills, and experiences. This proactive approach to self-improvement expands your perspective, boosts your confidence, and helps you adapt to changing circumstances. Number 5. Practice resilience and positive mindset. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but your response to them matters greatly. Cultivate resilience by developing a positive mindset that focuses on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning empowers you to bounce back stronger from adversity. Number 6. Live with integrity and authenticity. Living with integrity means aligning your actions with your values and principles. Be true to yourself and maintain honesty and authenticity in your interactions. When your actions reflect your beliefs, you build trust with others and nurture a sense of self-worth that stems from staying true to who you are. Number 7. Cultivate gratitude and mindfulness. Practicing gratitude and mindfulness helps you appreciate the present moment and recognize the beauty in life's simple pleasures. By focusing on what you have rather than what you lack, you foster contentment and reduce unnecessary stress. Mindfulness encourages you to be fully present, enhancing your overall well-being. Remember that these rules are meant to serve as general guidelines for a fulfilling life, and each individual's journey is unique. Adapting these principles to your own circumstances and values will contribute to a meaningful and purposeful existence. As we come to the end of our video, allow me to thank you for watching, and please, if I may ask, can you subscribe to the channel as a sign of support? Thanks. Stay blessed until next I come back with next video as soon as possible.